So this right here is my romaine lettuce. It's been taken off. We've been getting a lot of rain lately, so everything's kind of jumping right now. And these are my onions, my yellow onions. They're growing here, and then I've got some little baby cucumbers there. 1, 2, 3, 5 little cucumbers. I've got one large one there. It just bloomed flowers, so it's ready to be pollinated. And we've got a little pot of carrots right here. These are carrots. And then a little pot of summer squash right there. It's taking off. And then we have some Roma tomatoes, and they've been taking off pretty nicely. They've got flowers as well. They're starting to be pollinated, and we've got little tomatoes already, as you can see down here. Right there, we've got one right here. So it's taken off pretty good. And then here we've got some garlic growing. Had to put cups around it because we're having problems with cutworms right now. But everything looks like it's growing pretty well. Everything's kind of taking off. We've been having a lot of rain lately. And then here on this side, I just planted some yellow Yukon potatoes. We were waiting for these to sprout. We're getting some little sprouts here, like here, here. So this is taking off pretty good. And then over here in this garden, same thing. We have problems with cutworms, so I put these little cups around the plants to keep them protected from these worms, because they'll come in and chop them down. These here are peas. These are peas, and this is a green bean right here. So we planted half green beans and half peas on this side. Not all of them have taken off, but they're starting to come up. And then over here, we've got 3 serrano peppers. Of course, I've got the cups around them also because of the cutworms. They've already got a hold of this one. So hopefully this one comes back. I'm not too sure if it will or not, but we'll protect it and see what happens. And then I've got some yellow onions seeds planted on this side. None of them have come up yet, so I'm not too sure if they are or not. I've got some more yellow potatoes here in this pot. They're growing pretty well. This is summer squash right here. And then 3 more summer squashes. I'm going to let these grow a little bit more, and then I'm going to take them out and plant them in the ground as well. And what else? And these are little jalapeno peppers. I'm going to let them grow a little bit more before I pull each one out and transplant them into a different pot. And then I've got some more little pepper plants here growing. Here I've got some cilantro growing in this pot. They're coming up now. And then I've got some spinach on this side, baby spinach. So we'll see what happens with these. But that's our little garden. That's what we have going on. So we'll keep you updated on how everything is going, and we'll go from there.